Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change placeholder color for Avada form field in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Avada form builder and we are going to change placeholder color. Now you see, you don't see any placeholder color. So we added placeholder, now you see, but you don't see properly. So there are two ways to change placeholder color. Now go to form. So we are in edit form. So this is our form we are using. And then you see appearance in a order form option. And then you see field placeholder color. Now you see make it black and then click on update. So this is first way to change field placeholder color and then click on update. Another way is to change by using custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. So you can add this custom CSS, input placeholder, color, opacity, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see placeholder color change for Avada form field in WordPress. So you can use any method. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.